Thinking of starting a business in Alberta? Whether you're launching a side hustle, tech startup, or family-run company, Incorporation gives you legal protection, credibility, and long-term growth potential. In this video, you'll be guided with the step-by-step process to incorporate your business in Alberta, including name registration, legal forms, costs, post-incorporation steps, and compliance requirements. Let's make your business official the right way. What is incorporation, and why does it matter? Incorporation means your business becomes a separate legal entity. It can own assets, enter contracts, sue or be sued, and pay taxes independently of you. Why incorporate? You protect your personal assets. You gain business credibility. You can raise capital more easily. You lower your overall liability. You can incorporate provincially, just within Alberta, or federally, across Canada, with broader name protection. Today we're covering Alberta Provincial Incorporation, done through Alberta Registry agents. How to incorporate in Alberta, step by step. Let's break down the entire incorporation process in 5 key steps. Step 1. Choose your business name. You have 2 options. A numbered company, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Alberta Limited, quick and easy. A named company, example Prairie Solar Roofing Incorporated, brand focused. Named companies must follow Alberta's naming rules. Distinctive plus descriptive plus legal element. Example, Summit, distinctive, plus Technologies descriptive, plus incorporated legal ending. Avoid restricted terms like bank, trust, or co-op unless approved. Tip: before committing, do a preliminary name search using Alberta's NUANS database. Step 2. Get a NUANS report. A NUANS report checks for similar or identical business names. It's required if you're using a named company. Key facts. Cost around $30 to $60. Must be less than 91 days old. Must be submitted with your incorporation forms. You can order it through Alberta registries or online NUANS providers. Step 3. Prepare your incorporation documents. You'll need to complete 3 key forms. Articles of Incorporation Form 1. Sets your company structure. Lists share types, rights, restrictions, etc. You can use a standard form or draft custom articles. Notice of Address Form 2. Lists the business's physical and mailing address. Must be an Alberta address. Notice of Directors Form 3. Lists the names and addresses of all directors. Must be at least 18, of sound mind, and 25% must be Canadian residents. All forms must be typed or printed clearly and signed. Step 4. File with a registry agent. In Alberta, incorporation is done through a registry agent, not directly with the provincial government. Bring the following. NUANS report, if applicable. Forms 1, 2, and 3. Valid ID. Payment approx. $275 to $450 depending on the agent. Once approved, you'll receive Certificate of Incorporation. Corporate Access Number. This is your unique Alberta Business ID. Step 5. Set up your corporate records. You're legally required to maintain a minute book. It includes your Articles of Incorporation, shareholder records, director resolutions, annual meeting minutes. You can keep a physical binder or use a digital corporate record service. What to do after you incorporate? Incorporation is just the beginning. Here's what to do next to stay compliant and ready for business. 1. Register for a CRA business number. You'll need a business number, BN, from the CRA. 2. File corporate taxes. Collect GST, HST. Process payroll. Register online at website or call 1-800-959-5525. 2. Apply for a local business license. Most cities like Calgary, Edmonton, Red Deer require a separate municipal business license to operate legally. Check your local city hall or municipal website for details. 3. Open a business bank account. Bring the following: Certificate of Incorporation, Articles of Incorporation, Corporate Minute Book, 2 pieces of personal ID. Keeping your business finances separate is essential for legal and tax purposes. 4. Know your ongoing obligations. In Alberta, corporations must file an annual return every year, even if you're not actively operating. This includes updating your directors or address, confirming shareholder info, paying a small filing fee, usually $80 to $100. If you miss multiple years, your corporation may be struck off the registry. Should you do it yourself or get help? You can absolutely DIY your incorporation, especially for simple, single-owner businesses. However, if you have multiple shareholders, want custom share structures, plan to attract investors or issue equity, then it's worth consulting a lawyer or accountant to set things up right. Final recap. Let's quickly recap the full Alberta incorporation process. Choose a business name. Get a NUANS report for named corporations. Complete Forms 1, 2, and 3. Submit documents to a registry agent. Set up your corporate records. Register with CRA. Get your business license. File your annual return every year. And just like that, your Alberta business is up and running. Was this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more business guides, legal tips, and Alberta-specific updates. Drop your questions below or let me know if you'd like a walkthrough on federal incorporation, trade name registration, or setting up GST accounts next. Thanks for watching.